When your roof needs attention, you shouldn't have to choose between quality work and fair pricing. That's why finding Affordable Roof Repair Boise homeowners can rely on is so important. Your roof is your home's first defense against weather and time, and keeping it in good shape doesn't have to break the bank. Now, one of the biggest concerns people have is cost. Understanding the cost for roof repair Boise residents should expect gives you clarity from the start. A reliable roofing company will provide a clear breakdown so you know exactly what you're paying for. No hidden fees, no surprises, just honest, transparent pricing. But affordability doesn't mean you should wait. Delaying repairs often makes problems worse. That's where getting a fast roof repair estimate Boise can make all the difference. A quick, accurate estimate means you can take action right away, protecting your home from escalating issues and saving money in the long run. Knowing the price of roof repair Boise families can expect also allows you to budget wisely and compare options confidently. Now, whether it's patching a leak, fixing storm damage, or replacing worn shingles, you deserve to know the real costs up front so you can make the right decision for your home. That's why having a detailed roof repair quote estimate Boise is essential. It gives you a roadmap from the scope of your repairs to the timeline and investment required. And with that information, you can move forward with confidence, knowing your home will be safe, secure, and protected for years to come. Affordable roof repair isn't about cutting corners. It's about fair pricing, trusted workmanship, and long-term value. With the right team, you can have peace of mind knowing your roof is repaired properly without overspending. Need a solid quote for your roof repair? Call us now at 208-330-7203 or visit allprosroofingboise.com.